Boys, who drew on the wall upstairs? It was Jimmy.
No, Mom, it was Luke.
You think I would draw something like that?
Mom, trust me. I saw Luke do it.
It was Jimmy.
It was Luke. I saw him do it.
It was Luke?
Yes, Mommy. I wouldn't lie.
So it was Luke who made that beautiful drawing. Because whoever made it is gonna get a special gift.
Actually, it was me, Mom. It was me. I knew you would like it.
I love it. And here's your gift.